Hazeeq bin Hamid. What is natural gas power plant? Natural gas power plant or gas-fired power station is a thermal power station which burn natural gas to generate electricity. Natural gas power plant are cheap and quick to build. They also have very high thermodynamic efficiencies compared to other power plants. Next, for basic construction, there are two types of natural gas power plant, which is the simple cycle gas plant and combined cycle gas plant. The simple cycle is simpler but less efficient than the combined cycle. However, simple cycle plants are able to dispatch faster than coal-fired power plants or nuclear plants. This means they can be turned on or off quicker in order to meet society's electricity needs. Combined cycle plants are more efficient because it makes use of the hot exhaust gases that will otherwise be dispelled from the system. These exhaust gases are used to boil water into steam, which can then spin another turbine and generate more electricity. After that, the method that used is methane. The methane is burned to produce heat or generate electricity. It is converted successively into thermal energy to mechanical energy and finally to electrical energy. Secondly, the compressor. It takes in air from outside of the turbine and increases its pressure. Thirdly, the combustor. It burns the fuel and produces high pressure and high velocity gas. Lastly, the turbine. It extracts the energy from the gas coming from the combustor.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Hairul Atiqah Denie. Here I would like to explain how does gas-fired power work. So, natural gas arrives at the power station via a pipeline, and then air is drawn through filters and then compressed. So, the natural gas is mixed with the compressed air, and this mixture is then burned in a combustor. So, this process produces high pressure, high temperature combustion gases that drive a turbine connected to a generator. The generator spins an electromagnet at a very high speed, so this generates electricity. The exhaust gases from the turbines are then directed to the heat recovery steam generator, where it is used to boil water in a series of pipes, producing superheat steam. Any remaining exhaust gas is released through a large chimney. The superheat steam is delivered to a steam turbine, which in turn drives another generator to produce electricity. The steam power turbine and generator increase the overall efficiency of the gas or steam turbine operation of the power station. The steam turbine used to rotate the steam turbine is directed to a condenser where it is cooled back into liquid water for reuse in the boilers. Each of the generator produces electricity, and the voltage of the electricity is increased at the step-up transformers before being delivered to the switchyard and transformed into lower voltage to be used in our homes, schools, shops, and factories. So the whole process is monitored and controlled at the station control room.
The use of natural gas accounts for around 23% of the world's electricity generation. This is second only to coal, and the fraction that is natural gas is expected to grow in coming years. This means that natural gas contribution to climate change will continue to grow. It is because natural gas emits 500 grams of carbon dioxide per kilowatt-hour of electricity generated, where it is half of coal-fired power stations but still 10 times nuclear power and other renewable energy. On the other hand, the process of getting natural gas from where it's mined to the power plant leads to considerable release of methane, which is a natural gas that leaks into the atmosphere. As long as natural gas plants are used to produce electricity, their emissions will continue to warm the planet in dangerous ways. Therefore, every gas-fired power generation should have carbon capture and storage or carbon capture and utilization.
Here's an example of gas-fired power plant site. First is at Futsu Combined Cycle Plant Yokohama, Japan. Second is at Conant Bridge Power Station, Klang Selangor, which is combined cycle and open cycle. And third is Gateway Generating Station, California, which is combined cycle gas-fired power station.